When houses were made of wood and when kingdoms were still filled with enviousness and revenge, but not alliance with love. There lived the story of Beauty and the Beast. After that once upon a time, the story is now retold. And now, let us witness how the story really happened and how the spell had totally vanished to the power of love.
Are you afraid? I know that. Why are you hurting that child? But the child did everything with every mother of you. There you go. Did you know that? Because we left the credit better. Please, drop your plan. How give you the child? Shut up, Hilda. Today. Surprise of my business.
For more protection of our kingdom, especially for newcoming United of our family. Especially for our newborn son. You look at me. I will not.
You will see the next meeting together with your...
Una cosa ya.
You are so ambitious, Yolanda. All your dreams. How did you get back with your payment away from me? What do you think it is? You're going to accuse me of being a fool. You want me to feel that fear? Oh, my favorite kid. You don't need him. I do. I didn't stop without you. You're the loser. I will never be. Absolutely. Hi, Isabella. And I'm so sure that you will be surprised of all the things that I've done today. I'm delivering!
What is this? It's not my fault.
He's our son.
Ito ulit ding audience.
He's a monster.
No!
Nice one.
Am I hearing a baby? Is this a baby? Is this a baby? I know you are ugly, but there is something inside of you. You still have the heart and the child of a human being. They have thrown you, I have thrown you, but I am back to take care of you. You will be my son from now on.
They have thrown you and I have thrown you. Dilias panahon.
Of course, I know that, yeah, only developed such a sweet. Take a glance at the mirror and you will know why those people don't tell you that you're beautiful. You are like thorns to my Ouch! Did you see I'm here? Are you blind?
Are you blind?
Why do you cover your face? Just a suggestion, when you take a walk, please uncover your face so that you can see.
I'm sorry.
Uncover it. Oh yeah, I see. I really am gonna run in your place.
Go, Beauty!
Beauty.
T-Arts lagi lang beauty lagi dito.
Don't be afraid, Yaya. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I know that I'm afraid. You can always go home if you want, but not me.
Yeah, background.
Who are you? Yaya, please, Yaya.
Rati, hindi pa isulat ako sa ramog mo.
We better go home now. It's getting late. Can we maybe eat some with us? There's no one here. Your choice, but can't come with us. Lucia, where did you came from? I'm so sorry, Mom. I was just roaming around trying to see the wonderful things around me. Aren't you afraid that there are too many criminals in that area? I'm not afraid, Mom. I can handle myself. No, you can't, Lucia. You're just a girl. Your father and I are so worried about your safety. I'm just not a girl, Mom. I'm a princess of this kingdom. And the precious blood runs with me, so I can protect myself from them. Sarvinquenza, you're nothing but like your aunt, Lucia. Your heart has been darkened. I did not let you grow in this soothing place to disobey me like this. You just don't understand me, Mom. I want to see the things around me, like you before. I have almost forgotten who I should be. I'm sorry, Mom. Who are you? What do you want from me? What do you want from me again? No! Help! Please, help!
Who are you?
Oh, my hero! Thanks for saving me.
It's okay. Anything for you. Yes. I'll do everything just to save you.
Tom, it's a must for me to introduce you to the queen. Mother! I'm so sorry for everything. Please forgive me. I hope you will follow everything that I tell you. As she wished, my mother. By the way, I want you to meet Kate. Cookie. Yes, Mom. I'm getting awful like her. His father throws him away because of his appearance. But why, my dear? Why can't the king's name? What's the king's name? King Hector, mother? Oh no. This can't be. What's happening on you? It's a problem, my dear. Nothing. What's happening? I don't know. I don't even know why she acted that way.
Nayungit na, nayungit na.
Yes, of course. I'm sorry for I have treated not well you before.
I was wrong.
I was just like that. You know.
Okay, I'll go ahead.
Where's your home?
Anywhere, as long as I can sleep.
Oh, really?
Can I invite you for a dinner in our small kingdom?
Really? Then I'm so busy.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
Wait, King, aren't you gonna try it again?
I'll do everything what you want me to do.
King, I'll be there tomorrow at 7 with Liam. Wait for me.
With Yaya.
Go, Yaya.
Rocky. Rock.
Hi, Dad.
YouTube na, YouTube.
Dad.
Oh, YouTube na Bebe. YouTube na, YouTube. YouTube. I-upload sa YouPorn ba? Ma-rejected sa YouPorn.
Wala mo na daw.
Wala mo na.
Zero view.
Zero view.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Agoy! I love you, Dad. Sorry. I love you. Sorry, I love you.
Pak. Uy, presidente nila, pagbantay-bantay.
Hello, President Silvana. I hate you, Dad.
Ay, sulit.
Apil-apil ay.
Maupay na hayang.
Sige na. Pagtanaw. Ano na lang?
Wow.
Murag Dora, where are we going? Dora, where are we going?
Of course not. They invited me. Yeah, wait. There's a note. No entry. Wait here, huh?
Siya bandiklak na.
Nabog lagi daw. Oh, Boy Scout. Yaya, join!
I have no regrets coming here to your place. So amazing, beautiful, and fantastic.
Alam para na po. Sige, nag-roll na rin ko ano eh. Sa banan.
But Mom, I love him. I wouldn't allow this love to pursue. Mom, I love him so much. Your answer, Rita. Courtesy.
Breathe in, sir.
Yeah, you're right. Whenever Jordan says that.
Ang yan na.
Yaya, apel.
The pick of my victory! I will not tolerate these actions of yours. Even if you're my sister, I will be at your foot if you kill the king. Please, I'm begging you, spare your mercy to a king. Please. No! Every member of Hector's family shall repay me, and every one of them shall die. No! Oh, what's this? You brought that gun right over you.
There's an effect.
Calm down. I'm alright. Kiki? My son.
One, two, three, go.
Check for
Yawag kang tao. Teka, look around. Yo, action mo nila eh. Action.
King, are you okay? No, aga.
I'm okay.
King, your voice is so different. Never feel.
Japon.
It's always yours.
Spanish. The girls are totally gone. Let's celebrate.
Machuha. Bigyan na himi oh. Pamilya ni Yaya oh. Take ko Yaya.
True love.
Yaya, if it's success.
Yaya, pinatapida.
I've been right all this time. True love is the most powerful armor and medicine amongst